All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a blast here in Girona. We've had a good time. We've had wonderful time. This is Girona Airport. We're just down here now trying to board a flight. As you can see, I think we are delayed by 40 minutes, so we're gonna stay here in the next 40 minutes trying to get ourselves sorted out before we go. But the honest truth is, it's been a blast. It's been one of the best it's been one of the best holidays in Spain for the meantime. It's been a total blast, and the whole blast, the whole goodie started from Stansted Airport when we came in to check in, and we flew Jet2 Airline, Jet2 Airline, and we're still gonna fly Jet2 Airline as we're going now. So we got into the airport, and the truth is, the staff were so good. They were so good. It was really a lovely time. They gave us one of the best customer service I've ever witnessed since I've been flying, and I'm so proud of them. And it was a smooth sail. It was a smooth sail down to Girona Airport. So we are down here in Girona Airport, and we're also flying back again with Jet2. So Girona Airport. This is our second time of coming to Girona Airport, and this time around it was smooth sail too. We passed through the security, the customs, and everything was smooth sail. And we're done now, waiting for us to board and fly back to London. It's been a blast, I must tell you. What can we say about the weather? The weather in Spain. The weather in Spain was a little bit meandering from very hot sun to not very hot sun, but where the sun was there, it was lovely. So it is a blast. Maybe if we're coming back next time, it might be during July when the sun will be so shining. So sitting down here with family now, everyone trying to get set to go on the flight. Well, back to you guys in the studio. This is Loveday saying thank you, and we'll see you guys very soon. It's been a blast. Have a lovely time, and goodbye.